Assalamualaikum. So today we are going to do another question from Self Mastery Chapter 3. Today we are going to discuss question number 5. So let me read the question. Every month Raju receives sources of income from his fixed salary as a sales officer, house rental and online sales. His total monthly salary is Rm20,000. If Rm500 is added to his monthly salary, it will be twice the total income from house rental and online sales. The total monthly salary and online sales income is twice the house rental income. How much does Raju receive from each source of income every month? Okay, so first, in this question, you have to create the equation first. Alright, so what are the steps? First, you assign an algebra for those things that you do not know. Okay, what we do not know about Raju's salary is that there are 3 types of incomes. Okay, so the first is he is working 9 to 5, so to say, as a sales officer. So that will net RMX per month. Okay, sales officer. And then he also he bought houses and rent it out. Okay, so and then rental will be RMY. And then he also does online sales. Okay, so I believe this is apart from his work as sales officer. Okay, so maybe this is his personal. This is working for other people. So okay, the third one will be RMZ. Okay, so these are the things we do not know. So the first info, the statement says here his total monthly salary is Rm20,000. So X plus Y plus Z will be 20,000. That is the first info. Then if Rm500 is added to his monthly salary, I believe we should reword that, because monthly salary is, to me, is everything here. But in this case, okay, it is meant to say that his work as sales officer, this if added 500, it will be twice the income from house rental and online sales. Okay, so this X plus 500, it will be twice of the total of rental and online sales. Okay, so you might be confused. Actually, I was confused by the statement. Okay, so during exam, your teacher will give that question to another colleague to read and try to answer. Okay, so whenever the other teacher will not understand, so we might change the wording. Okay, all right. So what is another equation the total monthly salary. Again, total monthly salary, it means that's work as sales officer, which is X, and online sales is twice the house rental income. Okay, so X plus Y is twice of rental. Okay, so we have, oh sorry, this is not Y but Z. Okay, so reread that. let's reread. The total monthly salary and online sales, okay? Sales as a sales officer and the online sales is twice the house rental income. This times 2 for the house rental income. Okay, and then student usually get confused. Why did I put 2 here or 2 here? Okay, so the example that I always give is that, let's say you have 5 ringgit and I have 10 ringgit. Is 5 ringgit equal to 10 ringgit? Of course not. So what happens if your money multiplied by 2? Is it equal to my money? Okay, so what is important about this statement is that we multiply a number to the person that has less. So when yours is multiplied by 2, then it's only it will become equal to what I have. So that is why we put in 2 here. To the, okay, this added is twice of the rental. So multiply, write down 2 here. Alright, so now let's solve this equation. Is there anything we want to change from here? Okay, and then we have to decide what way that we want to do. Either elimination or substitution. Actually, you can just choose any way that you like. What I'm going to do, let's try using a substitution. So I will take, okay, let's say this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So actually, if you do not write 1, 2, 3, that is no problem. Okay, because just I want to explain where I get the equation. So I take from the third one. So third one, then I will, okay, I will write down here actually. Alright, I will write down here. I make x as subject. So x is 2y minus z. Then I will replace this, okay, because this is from 3. Okay, so I will replace this into 1 and 2. Okay, make sure if you take from the third one, you replace 1 and 2. If you take the second one, you replace in 1 and 3. Okay, that is a substitution method. So I will replace into 1. So replace replace x as 2y minus z. So I will say 2y minus z. I will replace here. This is where x is. Then copy the other thing. Plus y plus z is equals to 20,000. Then the same thing, I will replace in the second one. That is x is 2y minus z. So 2y minus z plus 500 is equals to, let's expand the bracket, 2y plus 2z. Okay, so we have now equations. We have another 2 equations, but now it's limited to y and z. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, simplify. Simplify 2y plus y will be 3y. Oh, okay, very fortunate. When I added and I see there is no more z, okay, then we can find the value of y. So y will be 20,000 divided by 3 will be 6,660. Do we want to use okay, so I think we round off to the nearest RM, so without the same. Alright, so we have 6667. Okay, for y will be rental. And then if I were to substitute this into one of this equation, one of these two, then I can get the value of z. But so I cannot replace it here because there's no z. Okay, so but what happened here, if I were to simplify this, I have 2y minus 2y. Oh, okay. Okay, from this equation, actually, I did realize that y and minus 2y becomes 0. So we have z. 2z plus z, it will be 500. 500 will be 3z. So z will be 500 divided by 3 is very little actually. 500 divided by 3 will be 167. Okay, so z is 167. Okay, not much. And so let's find what is x. So I'll just choose to replace the first one. So I do not know x, but I do know y. Y is 6667 and z is 167, which is equals to 20,000. So x will be 20,000 minus 6667. So 20,000 minus 6667 and minus 167. So 13,166. Okay. So his work as a sales officer will give him 13,166. From rental he get RM 6667, and from online sales he get 167. Okay, all right, see you next time.